Today we'll talk about how can you invite member on your WhatsApp. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first. So you just go down here. You click on manage down here. Just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You'll find here settings, you just click on it. So then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you will find here roles and permissions, you just click on it. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to next step here. You click here on collaborations. So then you come here to invite others here. So then here can you invite your add your email collaborations here. So then here add system roles. You click on send, then it's going to invite with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.